Won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidy. If you guys are new here, please subscribe because I'll be posting videos every week and I'll be doing some shout outs for please stay in touch in this comment section below. So for this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how do you edit videos. I am gonna be going through my YouTube stuff, which I have all my edit videos that I do recommend to use those. Go check them out. And we're gonna go ahead and go to the video slideshow. I guess it's considered calling a video show. So I'm opening up the video show, and yes, it does have apps. No, advertisement. That's what I was trying to say. Apps. Yes, the app has ads, advertisements. So if you guys are okay with it, then alright, because I just deal with it. But what I'm just trying to get is my intros and outro setups that I have already in my file. There's my intro, and then just scrolling up, well, down, just to go ahead and try to find all the pieces that I'm gonna edit for this video. Okay, once I've gotten all the clips, I make sure they're all in order and that they are in the size YouTube format as well, so we could get them all correctly sized and in order before we could get things started for our details of editing into them. And I'm just starting to do some chopping off my videos here. I'm deciding what I don't need to chop off or what I need to split it, so I could be able to do a transition with it to be good, continue with this next section of it. Right here, all I'm doing is just shortening the video, especially that section video. Like, I just only need that part but it's gonna be for like an ending part of the video of what the websites are and then etc. Okay, right here is when I'm starting to do the transitions, and I'm just trying to figure out what kind of transition vibe I want, you know? Like, am I into just darkness going on at the end, or like some hearts going on at the transition, you know? Like, what's the topic, what's the vibe on this, you know? I try not to make it so much complicated, so much transition going on, because I'm trying to make it so get to the point, to the video. But when it comes to certain things, like transition it's just what needs it all the time, you know? And right there, I'm just like editing, doing some text over for the introduction clip so I could get it started, as for example how I just edited my videos clip. Sorry, I'm not here just like looking like I'm just taking forever. It's just because I have my kids on got my attention at the moment, so that's what got me a little bit taking a little spacing out moment, looking, which I wasn't spacing out. Those are my kids. So if you guys have not seen how to do a outro video, I'll put a link on the corner up in the screen below above if you guys haven't, and I'll make sure to put one in the description below of my last videos, you know, or I would consider over my playlist. I have them under my description too.
My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind.
Sometimes you just gotta work with it. If it makes you feel comfortable, as it being in your introduction, do you need a subscribe button on there? But at the end, I really didn't need it because I already have a subscribe button over for the beginning of my intro and then the end of my intro. But it's always good to remind you, hey, don't forget to subscribe, because we want you guys to keep watching us because we love what we do, you know? Okay, so I'm in the sticker section. I've decided I need some stickers going on around the introduction, so when you're making a video, always be on top of it when it comes to those adding on in the video, because you always gotta make sure it's being timed right, like it's on the starting point into the ending point of any certain kind, like of an overlay or not. But yes, always making sure, because then it goes very incorrect, like it should have came on earlier, you know, or it should have come more a bit later, or that shouldn't have been there, or stuff like that. So just please enjoy, watch me continue editing the video, and I'll bring up any advices I could give you guys, but it's pretty much showing you how I edit my videos. I'm just making sure the introduction is correctly, and I am very happy about it, you know? Okay, I'm just really just going through the themes. I'm really just going through the filters. I don't know why it gets me alone. I'm sorry, you guys. Oh yeah, I'm just going through the filters, trying to find a better tone, light background for it, just to give it that vibe. But yeah, as you see, I'm taking it off on my intro and outro because I always put all clips and then change the filter exactly the same on all clips, and then I just go back to my intro and outro, just take off the filter because I don't want them to get changed when then they're my theme, and then I don't want anything different. Over here, I'm just starting to do a voiceover. As you can see, I'm just speaking through the mic there on my phone while I'm here also talking to you guys at the same time. But it's just an example of what I do once I do a little talk over. They also have a button there. Just click on the button and start talking. And to be honest, with this voiceover on this app is actually really good compared to the recording app I did on the phone, the recording background app. That voiceover is not good though. I would not recommend you the ones I'm going to show you, but I do like the recording part beside it. But other than that, it's just like the voiceover isn't great. Alright, I'm in on the college section of this app, and I'm just going through my photos so I can find an overlay picture that I've downloaded, and I've chosen that, and I don't really know what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna be able to try to put it on the side of them just so it could not just be just a blur action going on, you know. Just working with my creative mind with it. As you can see, I'm not using the whole pieces, I'm just using that piece, and I'll be doing the same as the opposite piece. It took longer than I thought. Just try to get that little small piece at first, but it didn't work out. If you guys have any questions, or like if you guys have any requests of me doing a video for you guys, I will definitely will. Just let me know in the comments below. I like to help you guys grow. I like to help myself grow. So don't be shy to ask what you need help with. Over here, I'm just checking the timing is correct for the photos. I have covering making it creative around blah 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 blah. So yeah. I could fly. Sorry if it's not on speed over on the parts that I don't talk. Just don't want you guys to miss anything. Just letting it do its thing, you know. Just I want you guys to watch and highlight the videos. That's what I'm doing as well. Alright, so I'm gonna make this short. I'm gonna end this video, and no, it's not short, it's like almost 17 minutes long. Anyways, but yes, if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe and give it a like. And please share, because I'll be posting videos every week, and this share could make a good difference for the other YouTubers, you know? Anyways, thank you for coming by my video. And I hope this video helped you guys, and I'll be seeing you guys in my other videos. So stay tuned and keep on watching, and don't forget that bell notification, please.